Hello, I'm Justin May, the Dixie Law Group in Louisville, Kentucky, where we help people that are injured. And today we're going to talk about what to do if you are considering hiring a personal injury attorney. A good personal injury attorney will help you and your family find creative solutions to the financial bind that most injury incidents place people in. A good PI lawyer knows how to help you work through the medical bills so that the insurance will take care of them. They know creative solutions as far as dealing with lost wages to potentially get that back through different types of insurance. They'll be able to help you and your family deal with going underwater and try to keep you above it. A lot of folks will call and say, should I talk to the insurance company? Should I give them a statement? We recommend you don't. And a little story as to why. We had a client who called us and said, hey, I need some help with my car. I was in a wreck. So we called the insurance company for him and asked what happened. And he'd already given a statement and signed a release, but he forgot to tell them all the different tools and all the different things that were in his car that were destroyed, but he'd already signed a release. So there's an example of you need to think about what you're signing because we can't go back, give the check back to them and say, please give us more money. Once it's done, it's done. And you need to really think about that when you're speaking to an insurance company. Most people understand after an incident that an insurance company is going to say, we'll cover your medical bills, your lost wages. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But the thing you really need to think about is the human element. And what do I mean by that? I mean what was taken. An example of that is we had a case for a young lady that was in a car accident. She was hit and then she ended up with tinnitus. That's the ringing in your ears. That is an untreatable condition where she ended up with only about $10,000 in medical bills. But I can tell you that the impact on her life is beyond $10,000. And what you need to think about is what am I going through and what is my family going through and what is that worth to me? And that is what you should think about when you're looking at how much your case is worth or if you should hire a lawyer to tell that story. At the Dixie Law Group, we help get back what was taken. We look at the human element, not just the hard numbers of medical bills and lost wages. If you, a family member, or someone you love was hurt in an injury incident, please tell them to give us a call today for a 100% free consultation.